Welcome back to the Chord by Chord series. Today we're connecting 1 to 5/6 to 1. In the last video, we connected 1 to 1/6 and talked about planning ahead. There were lots of options and choosing the right one depended on what came next. This time, way simpler. Today we're connecting 1 to 5/6 back to 1, and there are exactly two solid options. No guesswork, no long-term planning. Just two ways to do it, and both are 100% stepwise and completely idiomatic. Since the bass moves from 1 to 7 and back to 1, we're really just dipping down to the leading tone and returning to the tonic. And when you're going back to where you started, your voices don't need to go far. Option 1, lots of neighbor tones. The bass does a lower neighbor, 1, 7, 1. One voice stays on scale degree 5, giving us a common tone through all three chords. One voice steps up and back down, 1, 2, 1, an upper neighbor. And one voice steps down and back up, 3, 2, 3, a lower neighbor. All motions are smooth and contained. The result is clear, natural, and stylistically solid. Option 2, voice exchange. Remember this term from my previous video? We keep the bass, 1, 7, 1, and the common tone on 5. But now the two remaining voices swap notes. One does 3, 2, 1, and the other does 1, 2, 3. That's textbook voice exchange, this time using 3 notes. And it opens up a melodic possibility. If you're harmonizing a melody that goes 1, 2, 3 or 3, 2, 1, this version fits it perfectly. And maybe it's just a little bit more interesting than option 1. Both options are clean, correct, and work exactly the same way in minor keys, because we'll always be raising the leading tones in our 5 chords. So, unlike last time when you had to think ahead, this one's black and white. You're returning to the tonic, and there are just two paths to take. Sometimes theory is about choices. Other times, it's about choosing from one or two obvious solutions. So let's add this one to your toolkit. It'll come in handy.